Hello children, my name is Sarita Shetty. Today we'll start with the second term portion, lesson number 13, our neighbors. Children, do you know who are our neighbors? Yes or no? Children, you should know your neighbors. Who are your neighbors? Neighbors are people who live near our home. Now, let us go through the textbook. Here little girl is saying, Grandpa is not feeling well today. Papa has gone to the chemist in our neighborhood to get some medicines for him. Neighborhood means, what is neighborhood? Neighborhood means the houses and places near our house. People share many places such as parks, schools, and markets in a neighborhood. They are also called as public places. We need them because they help us in many ways. Here, Granny is saying something. In our previous class, we learned about some places in our neighborhood and how they help us. Now, let us match these places. Post office, place, help, and help us. Post office. What do you do in the post office? We send postcard, parcels, and money orders. Now, who is the helper here? Postman. School. We go to school. For what we go? To learn to read and write and play. Now, who is the helper here? Teacher. Market. Why do we go to market? We go to market to buy fruits, vegetables, and clothes. Now, who is the helper here? Shopkeeper. Bank. Why do we go to bank? We go to bank to keep our money and jewelry. Now, who is the helper here? Banker. Railway station. Why do we go to railway station? We go to railway station to take trains. Now, who is the helper here? Engine driver. Now, some of the places that help in emergency. Okay, why do we go to hospital? When we are sick, we go to the hospitals. A hospital takes care of the people who are sick and injured. Doctors and nurses look after the patient. A hospital has an ambulance to bring sick and injured people and give them immediate care. Now let us see the next helper, police station. Why do we go to police station? A police station helps us to keep us safe. We go there when we are in trouble. Inspectors and policemen help to solve our problems. They guard our neighborhood and keep our lives and things safe. Now let us see fire station. Why do we go to the fire station? A fire station keeps fire engines, firemen, water pipes in uniforms for firemen and other tools which help to put out fire. We call a fire brigade from a fire station when there is a fire. A fireman helps to put out fire and save people and things. Now let us see places for recreation. Children, do you know what do you mean by recreation? The places where we relax. These are the places are called recreation. Recreation means to enjoy or relax. We can go to many places in the neighborhood for recreation. Like park. What is a park? A park is a place where people go to walk, play and relax. Children have fun on swing, slides and seesaws. Community centers. What is a community center here? A community center is a place where people usually meet for recreation. Some community centers have library, gymnasium, swimming pools, a play area for children and a hall or a lawn where people can celebrate festivals and hold parties. Zoo. We all like to go to zoo and like to see animals. A zoo is a place where many kinds of wild animals are kept for people to see. A person who looks after the animal in zoo is called as a zookeeper. Situation, but previously, for every small birthday parties, anniversaries, for any simple celebration, we used to visit restaurants. Restaurant is a place where we go to eat food on a special occasions or simply to relax and enjoy. A chef prepares food for us in a restaurant. A waiter or a steward serves the food to us. Theater. Now, theater are closed. What do we do there? A theater is a place where we go to watch plays, dances, and other performance. We go to a movie theater to watch movies. Now, let us see some of the other neighborhood places. Chemist shop. What is chemist shop? Where we get medicines, right? We buy medicines and things like soaps, shampoos, and creams from a chemist shop. A chemist sells these things to us. Courier company. Nowadays, we are buying everything on courier. Amazon and many courier companies are there, right? Online shopping centers are there. We are buying. How do we get? We when we purchase, we get all things through courier. A courier company helps to pick up and deliver our letters and parcels. It provides door to door fast services. A courier boy picks up and delivers letters and parcels to our houses or offices for us. Beauty parlors. A beauty parlor is a place where we can get the special beauty treatments for our hair and skin. Hairdresser and beauticians provide these services to us. Shopping malls. We also find shopping malls in many cities. A shopping mall is a place where we can find movie theaters, food joints, bookstores, beauty parlors, children's play area, supermarket, and shop. We find many helpers at shopping malls. Some of them are here. Can you all tell me? Okay. All must be knowing by now. Let us see who are they. Salesman, lift operator, doorman, cashier. We also find other places such as sweet shops, bakery, gymnasium, photo studio, dry cleaners in our neighborhood. So children, this was all about our neighborhood and the places around us. Now, one small request to all of you, you have to go through this video again and again. Before I take it on the online teaching, you all should know, by then you all should know what is this lesson about. I am just going to ask question on it. Okay. Thank you so much.